I'll show you the top 5 free AI tools every Forex trader should try in 2025. These tools will help you analyze the market, get better signals, and even automate trades, all for free. TradingView is the most popular charting tool for Forex. What makes it powerful in 2025 is the growing library of AI-powered scripts and indicators created by pro traders. Try tools like SuperTrend AI, Neural Net Trend Detector, Auto Fibonacci AI. Benefit, visual alerts plus real-time decision-making, free to use with optional Pro plan. MetaTrader is the go-to platform for executing Forex trades. You can use expert advisors or EAs, AI-powered bots, to automate your trades. Look for free EAs on MQL5 Marketplace, Forex Factory Forums, and GitHub for open-source bots. These bots analyze patterns and execute trades 24/5. ChatGPT isn't just for chatting, it can actually help you make sense of the markets. Try this. Explain what the non-farm payroll data means for USD. Or, give me a simple EUR/USD trading plan for today. Use ChatGPT to summarize Forex news, test ideas, or build strategies. Best of all, it's free with basic access. MyFxBook tracks real trading performance. You can connect your broker, follow real traders, and even copy AI bots' performance. Features include AI analyzed trading history, verified signal providers, and auto trade integration, optional. Use it to study top performers before copying anything. FinGPT is an open source project designed for financial forecasting with AI. It pulls data from news headlines, social media, and charts to predict future prices. Developers and traders can use FinGPT to build custom Forex bots, analyze sentiment, and test predictive models. It's advanced but powerful, and 100% free. Let's recap the top 5 free AI tools for Forex traders in 2025. TradingView AI Indicators, MetaTrader Forex Bots, EAS, ChatGPT for strategy and news, MyFxBook, track and follow top AI traders, FinGPT Advanced Prediction using machine learning. Use these tools wisely and combine them for best results. That's it. The top 5 free AI tools for Forex traders in 2025. If you found this helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to AI Insight Hub, and drop your favorite tool in the comments. More tutorials and live tests coming soon. Stay tuned.